Hello, my dear students and friends, welcome back. I am going to record a new video for you, and the topic of that video is that why we should have a smile on our face. When we talk to the people, we may be talking to our clients, we may be talking to our customers, or we may be talking to our students or whoever we may be talking to. We should always have a smile on our face just to make the people who are talking to us comfortable. How we can make them comfortable? By having a smile on our face. And when I always ask my students to have a smile on their face when they talk to the people on a public place, or even you may be in your home, you are talking to your younger brothers, sisters, or you are talking to your parents, whoever they may be, but you should always have a cool mind and a smile on your face. So it is very simple or easy to say that we should always have a smile on our face. But practically it's difficult to have a smile on our face. Of course, we cannot deny the importance of having a smile on our face while talking to the people. That I have already recorded a video and I uploaded that to my YouTube channel to know the importance of having a smile on our face. So I'm not going to discuss that why we should have a smile on our face, but instead I'm going to let you know my ideas that how you can have a smile on your face. Actually, you can have a smile on your face when you are positive and when you think positively, and even means you take the things positively even in the worst conditions. Means you always try to find out the positivity. Means we should not focus on the negativity, we should always focus on positivity. And how we can do that? Like suppose if something bad happens, then instead of thinking or instead of having a kind of frustration or losing our patience, we should take the decision that what we can do now to come out of that worst situation. So that is positivity, means thinking. Like I can give you here many examples of being positive. जैसे कि suppose something wrong, something wrong went with you, then instead of cursing yourself for that bad thing happened with you, instead of that you must be positive that if something bad has happened, then realize that why it has happened. Either means you didn't do your efforts well, or you didn't try it by heart, so you must try it again. So something, the better is always there, even the worst things happen. So we have to be positive, we have to think positively, but you can be positive or you can think positively if you think that you are connected with that Almighty, and if you think that you are the son or the daughter of that Almighty, then the other human beings in this world are also the sons and the daughters of that Almighty. So what you like for you, you should think that the others, or the other human beings also like the same. So we must behave ourselves. जैसा हमको अच्छा लगता है वैसा ही हम दूसरों से भी व्यवहार करें, वैसा ही बिहेव हम दूसरों के साथ भी करें. ये हमें दिमाग में होना चाहिए. तो चलिए मैं एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल यहाँ हिंदी में बता देता हूँ आपको, और आई मे यूज समटाइम्स द इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस. कि देखो, मुस्कुराने के बहुत सारे फायदे. it me you lose nothing, but it pays you a lot. Suppose if you go to, I give you here an example of mine. Whenever in the beginning, whenever I went to my bank to get my passbook updated earlier, 5 or 10 years back, when that time I used to have my passbook. Now this time I don't have any passbook because we don't need to maintain a passbook of the bank. So that time I used to go to the bank to get this passbook updated, and there was always a very long queue to get that passbook updated. So the lady who was there on the seat, she was very much fed up of doing the same thing every day. And the people who were always in the queue, they were also fed up. But in the beginning, I went to that lady, and as I learned, that means I had to have a smile on my face. So I just smiled at her and asked her to update my passbook. And she was surprised. That means she didn't expect that somebody would smile at her like this. She was very comfortable. She smiled at me in reply, and she updated my passbook. And as I smiled at her while asking her to do that updation, and she recognized me. The next time, third time, fourth time, whenever I went to the bank to get my passbook updated, she recognized me immediately. So that is the advantage. So we have to be, very honest by heart. Means true and honest. Means we should always believe in justice. What we like. तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि जब आप सच्चे हो जाते हो यहाँ से, और सबके लिए जस्टिस सोचते हो आप, कि जो आप चाहते हो न्याय, वैसा न्याय आप सबके साथ करो, then you have to support the truth and you have to be honest. When you do that, you feel happy, and when you feel happy, you always have a smile on your face and you feel connected with that Almighty. तो अगर ऐसा जब आप करने लगोगे, अच्छा काम होता है जो दूसरों को सुख दे, दूसरों को खुशी प्रदान करे. तो जब आप ऐसा करोगे तो आप खुश होगे. जब दूसरों के चेहरे पे आप खुशी लाओगे तो आपके चेहरे पे खुशी अपने आप आ जाएगी. जब आपके चेहरे पे अपने आप खुशी आएगी तो आप माहौल को अच्छा बनाओगे. जब माहौल को अच्छा बनाओगे तो हर चीज़ पॉजिटिव होने लगेगी आपकी ज़िंदगी में. लोग आपको हेल्प करेंगे. तो दिस इज़ द टॉपिक कि मुस्कुराना चाहिए, और मुस्कुराहट कैसे आए वो दैट आई discussed here. If you like that video, please like it and share it with others, and leave the comments below the video. And as I have been an English teacher for the last 28 or 29 years, I've been teaching English through online, through Skype for the last 10 years. If you want to learn English with me, you may contact me. I have already given my email ID and Skype ID here. in that video and below that video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.